Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to export and import Google Contacts emails from one Gmail account to another Gmail account. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To do this, you need to have Google Contacts icon on your phone. Go to Google Contacts. Open it. Look, in my Google Contacts, I have more than 400 phone contacts, and also I have many email contacts. Now click on Fix and Manage. Then now click on Export to File. Click on Export to File. Now select your next email address where you want to export email contacts. I have 3 email contacts here. One from one email address I want to export, and another email address I want to import. I am selecting the importing email address. This is third one. Now select the importing email address. Now click on export to .vcf file. Now click on save button. Look, your all contacts has been exported and saved as a file. Now you need to log into your next email account. I am logging to my next email account where I want to import. Click on Fix and Manage and click on Import from Files. Click on Import from Files and now select the file. Now click on Downloads. And look, all contacts has been downloaded to your new account, and click on Contacts. Look, contacts are available here right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.